Oh, play date with Emma. Emily's enjoying her time. Yeah,
First
she's
sleepover
like
party.
at Emma's crib. Aww.
She's trying to make food.
She's like, how's your mama treating you? Oh.
Cute. Here comes.
Oh, thank you.
I always like your sneezes because they sound so cute.
Thank you. Oh yeah, mama give me lots of milk and lots of attentions. How about you? You're making lots of sounds.
I want to see. Emma, show them
Emma
your
makes a
cry.
lot of sound.
Yeah, she
Yeah,
does.
she makes a ton of sound.
Cute.
Emily.
Except for she does it mostly late at night.
Oh, they're cute sounds. It's okay.
Aww. It's a cute crib. There's one more